So I just recently went on a trip to Nebraska to a men's retreat to honor my dad. And it was cool to just see how much he's impacted his people's lives. Some small country town that just has a completely different background growing up than him, and it was just hard being there without him. Yeah, it was cool because just getting to relive these experiences with different people in my family and just share what made this town so special for me. It's because of just being with my dad. So yeah, a lot of life is different right now, and it's just hard to like navigate and just like be motivated to really do things, approach a lot of situations with the expectation of being able to enjoy it as an experience. But nowadays it's just, take every moment 1 minute at a time, really, and just enjoy for what it is. Make sure that it's important to me that I make sure that I'm pouring myself into people now, and that's something I've learned from my dad's life, pouring myself into other individuals, no matter just how they perceive you, how they treat you, and whatnot. Just being able to pour into other people, because yeah, it's just cool to just see these grown men really just appreciate my father and just what he was able to do for them in their community. So not much else to this video. That went a whole different direction I was trying to go. This is probably like the 5th time I've tried to record this. Yeah, and I'm done now, but thank you guys for watching this video. Appreciate it. I don't even care about saying this. Bye.